squirrel right out here, guys, around the corner. We're gonna see if we can go get it. Two of them. Got one. Looking for the other one. There's one right there, though. The other one's still up there somewhere. I don't know where he's at. Looking all around. It's a nice sized one right there. Hoping to find him up there. Squirrel. He's up there somewhere, but I'll make another video if I see him. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Let's see if this one's a male or a female first. Female. Alright, thanks for watching. Here, you didn't see that my camera turned? Female. Nice one.